Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another luxury unboxing, and this unboxing is probably one of the coolest things I've purchased probably ever. If you saw the title of this video, you know I'm unboxing a signed, personalized pair of Louboutin heels, which is just kind of crazy to even say out loud that these are literally a thing that I own. So cool. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I even got these or had the opportunity to get these. Again, kind of crazy, but I'm so excited to unbox them and show them to you guys. Before we get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so I got the box that the box comes in. So here's it in all its glory inside the box, and I will just give a little disclaimer here. My husband Jake was actually the one to sign for this package when it came to our door, and I was at work and he was so excited that these came in, and he ended up opening them and like sending me a picture right away because I don't know, he thought it was super cool too, and I was like, please repackage so I can unbox them for you guys. So if things look a little wonky, this is a previously unboxed but re-unboxing. But anyways, he said he got the bow back on, so that's the important part. Yeah, here's the box in all of its glory. But before we open the box, there is a little card in here. I think this is literally just like the receipt or whatever. Yeah, we got the receipt in here and a little red sold invoice receipt holder. You know, I'm giving you guys all the little details here. So we got that, and then yes, we have the box. And so how these came to be. So if you guys followed my Black Friday fail of a shopping trip with Louboutin, I had tried to get Jake a pair of sneakers from Louboutin during Black Friday, and they ended up packaging the wrong pair of shoes. So it was this whole saga of me reaching out to the sales associate who helped me and then finding the right shoes, getting them, and everything turned out great. And the sales associate that helped me, I did end up following him on Instagram, which actually helped me reach out to him to fix the whole shoe issue that happened during Black Friday. So afterwards, I've kept following him, and he does post a lot of deals on Louboutin and like what's going on, new shoes, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to follow him, I will link his Instagram down below. I will just note that it's very dangerous because it makes me want to buy things every day. So follow at your own risk. But anyways, he was the one who reached out to me to offer me this opportunity of getting a pair of shoes signed or like a handbag signed. So yeah, big thank you to him for sharing this opportunity with me. Mr. Louis Boy on Instagram, check him out. But yeah, so that's kind of how this opportunity presented itself to me. You know, it's one of those things where I just felt like I couldn't say no. It's such a cool item to own, to have. So yeah, also just a side note, it didn't like cost any more to get them signed, so it was just simply purchasing the pair of shoes, and then Mr. Christian Louboutin himself would sign them for you, and he personalizes them, and it's really cool. So yeah, it didn't come at any extra cost, although honestly I don't know how much it's worth, but I probably would have paid the extra cost just to own these, have these in my collection. So anyways, let's open these up. So we got the cute little red bow on the outside. Go ahead and take this off. I'm actually surprised Jake got this back on because it's kind of difficult to take off. Okay, the bow is done. And now here is the clean box here. I did just get a classic pair of Kate heels. I was like trying to look up like the most iconic or like original Louboutin heels. So I decided to go with a Kate style because they are very iconic, they're very classic, and I just felt like that was the perfect pair to get signed. But yeah, so I have a Kate style in here. Go ahead and open it up. Here is the tissue paper. Unfolding it. All right, and here is the signed shoe. I'm going to put it down and I'm going to grab the other one. So typically when he signs the shoe, he just signs one of the shoes. So we got one signed and one plain. So here's a plain shoe. Like I said, I did get the Kate style in this patent leather tan color. I got it in the 100mm heel. Honestly, I'm probably never even gonna wear these shoes because they are signed and so beautiful. I could have gone with a higher heel because of that. I guess I wasn't thinking that deep into it, but I probably could have done that. But anyways, I went with a 100mm heel in this classic patent leather style. And now here is this signed shoe. So it looks like nothing going on, but when you flip it around, oh, here it is. And you can see my name on it. He kind of doodled a little on the side, and then we have the signature on the bottom. Yeah, this is just so beautiful. It's crazy. It's kind of crazy that this is just in my possession now. A signed pair of heels. Yeah, super, super beautiful. Super fun. I like how there's a lot of effort that went into this as well. It's not just like a pen signature and it's done. There's some colorfulness and creativity on it and time, and it has my name on it, which is super, super cool as well. Yeah, so iconic, so cool. And yeah, these are definitely going to be getting displayed probably on one of my shelves here forever. Yeah, I really don't think I'm going to wear these out ever. I will say though, if I did choose to wear them, he did sign up in this area, so like it wouldn't get any real wear or tear when you are wearing them out on the bottom of the shoe. But I really don't want anything happening to them, so maybe for like a special occasion. But really, I think these are just gonna be so beautiful to just display and have, and yeah, such a stunning shoe. But yeah, so this was my unboxing of my personalized signed Louboutin heels. Again, so crazy, and again, I'm like still kind of in shock that this is something I have now, but I'm super grateful, and just, yeah, really excited to see these, and am very thankful. Such a wild experience. I thought it would be fun to unbox and share with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy luxury unboxings, I will be sure to link my full playlist to some other luxury shoes, luxury handbag unboxings. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.